Never put these foods in the fridge if you want to live longer. Onions can soak up moisture in the fridge, which can cause mold and harmful bacteria like E. coli to grow. Cold temperatures make the starch in potatoes turn into sugar, which can increase a cancer-causing chemical when cooked. Bread kept in the fridge can get stale and moldy, which can produce toxins that harm your lungs. Storing coffee in the fridge can cause moisture to build up, which can lead to mold and harmful toxins. Garlic can also sprout and mold in the fridge, creating dangerous toxins.